It is a bright Sunday morning. Prasanna wakes up early with excitement. Today, he and his friends are going for a long-awaited picnic near the riverside.
Good morning. Are you all ready for the picnic?
Good morning. Yes, I started packing the food already.
I charged the speaker and packed some games.
I have a camera. We will take amazing photos today.
They all meet outside Prasanna's house and load the bags into the car.
Did someone bring the picnic mat?
Yes, it's right here.
Great. Let's stop before the traffic gets worse.
They start the journey. Soft music plays and the morning breeze enters through the windows.
Look at the sky. So clear and blue.
Perfect weather for photos. I can't wait to reach the river.
Same here. I brought homemade sandwiches.
After a 40-minute drive, they arrive at a beautiful riverside spot with tall trees and birds chirping.
Wow. This place looks peaceful.
Let's spread the mat under that big tree.
Good idea. Lots of shade there.
They set the mat, open the food boxes, and relax.
Who wants sandwiches?
Me? And some juice, please.
This sandwich is amazing. You should open a cafe.
Haha, maybe one day.
After eating, they walk closer to the river, feeling the cool breeze.
The water is so clear. Let's dip our feet in.
Careful. It might be cold.
Oh, it's freezing but refreshing.
After relaxing, they return to play games.
Let's play a round of dumb charades.
Yes, I'm ready. I'll go first.
Okay, act out a moving name.
They play for 20 minutes, laughing loudly.
I haven't laughed like this in weeks.
Same here. This picnic was a great idea.
Then they take photos near the trees, jumping poses, group photos, and funny faces.
Everyone look here. 1, 2, 3.
This will be our best photo album.
Later, they rest on the mat listening to soft music.
Guys, listen to the birds. It feels so peaceful.
I feel like staying here all day.
Let's come again next month.
As the sun begins to lower, the sky turns orange and pink.
Look at that sunset. It's beautiful.
Let's take one last photo with the sunset behind us.
Perfect idea. This day has been amazing.
They pack the bags, clean the area, and walk back to the car feeling calm and refreshed.
Today was perfect. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you for planning it.
Let's plan a longer trip next time.
Yes. Maybe a hill station picnic.
They drive home slowly as the stars begin to appear, ending a peaceful and joyful picnic.